as a Thai, but he lived in US many years. Let him go to look the waterfall, Gang waterfall in Laos. If you come to Laos, you should try it. In this place in Wang Vieng, right? But I don't remember how far from the downstairs to top to the waterfall, but okay, higher, and then you're gonna try it a little, not much, just a little. Let's go to look the waterfall. Yeah, we are arrived already to the waterfall. This waterfall so higher and have more water, but I'm gonna recommend for you this waterfall have more water only rain season. This season is more, but after dry season have a little water, right? Okay, if you wanna spray the water, yeah, shower here, you can do it.
Waterfall.
Wow, this is so nice, so good view. If you come, welcome to here, Penguin Waterfall.